It's really annoying to handle these complex tasks every day. I have to key in data, visualization, writing code, printing, select date and time, GPS, signature, scan barcode with different tools. Why isn't there a tool to make this easier? Friends, we heard you. Agent is ready to make it easier.
Agent.
It can help users who don't have extensive coding knowledge to create Android applications. Users can just drag and drop the control based on their wants. There are many controls and functions are provided. For examples, text box, memo box, lookup, label, camera, checkboxes, dynamic checkboxes, grid view, card view, signature, HTML editor, chart, and button. In every control, users can select what functions want to apply in. Each control will have different functions to satisfy users' wants. After applying controls and functions, users can see the results. Not only that, Agent can be used in various areas, including car production line, hospital patient, location checking, stock take software, electronic survey form, scan to print and price check, and more. Scan the QR code to transfer the app to your mobile and view the results instantly.
If you have any inquiries, you can send an email to us at sales@alcglobal.com. Thanks for watching.